I happened to be at Target and I wanted to check out their new spring handbag. Now here we have this pearl beaded half moon clutch bag, and this one is going for $30. Now I'm going to be showing the prices on the tag, so definitely go online or go into your store for any additional sales, because that one is actually on sale for $22.50 right now. Now I did happen to see a lot of picnic themed items, such as this necklace with a lot of fruit on it and that little jewelry box in the shape of a picnic basket. But for now, let's just focus on the handbags and purses. So here we have this little coin bag. It looks like a little slice of fruit, and this one is by A New Day and it's going for $15. And again, definitely check your pricing because that one is also on sale for $12.75. And as you can tell, they have different colors. Now this one, I really thought it was so pretty. It's a frame clutch bag and it's by A New Day and it's a blue floral. And the regular price on this is $25. Now I did happen to see a lot of clutches here at Target, so let me know if you're seeing that in other stores as well. Now here we have another frame clutch. This one has a woven design in the front, but it's plain in the back. This one is also by A New Day and it is $25. Now even though it's not leather, it was very soft. And here we have a white clutch with the gold handle. It's very sleek design, very pretty. It almost gives it an elevated look. This one is regularly priced $25. And like I mentioned, check your stores. I did go online. This one is on sale right now for $18.75. Now this is a fun design. This is a straw checkered drawstring bag. It's actually a crossbody bag, and this one is by Universal Thread, and this one is regularly priced $25. And let me get this off the shelf so that you can get a better look at it. I did happen to notice quite a few items with that straw material, like this little tote here. This one is going for $35. And right next to it, we have another tote handbag. This one is also by A New Day, and this one is also going for $35. And this one is currently on sale for $26.25. I'm not sure when you're going to see this, so definitely go online or go to your store and check the prices. I love this design. And this is actually by A New Day, and it is like a pearl finish. And I'll open this up so that you can see what it looks like. I love the big chunky pearl handle. And this one is regularly priced $30, and it is currently on sale for $22.50. Now this next purse is so cute. This one has a bamboo handle, and this one is by A New Day. This one is actually on sale for $18.75, regularly $25. Now this next purse is actually a shoulder bag, and this one has a flap closure. This one is also by A New Day, currently on sale for $18.75. And what I'll do is bring this up closer so that you can take a better look at it. Let me know in the comments if you prefer a clutch or if you prefer an over-the-shoulder bag, especially going into the spring season. Now here they have this crossbody bag. It is by A New Day, and as you can tell, it's got this beautiful gold chain with the black woven in between it. So this one is actually on sale for $18.75, and this style comes in different colors. So they have it in black, brown, tan, and a cream. I personally love the cream, especially going into this spring season. And even though I did show you this tote a little earlier in this video, I did want to give you a better look at it and also let you know that it comes in a cream color and in black. Now for some reason I was thinking this is more of like a wicker design, but not in reality. It's more of a rattan design. So here we have another handbag. This one is going for $25 with that same type of woven design. And as I mentioned in my TJ Maxx video, gold hardware on handbags and purses is really popular this year. And as you can tell on this handbag as well, with the long gold chain, this one actually has removable chain, so it can be used as a clutch. This is by A New Day and regularly priced at $20. And let me show you this bag. This one looks like a slice of orange. This one is regularly priced at $30, again by A New Day. It is on sale. Remember to check for those sale prices. Now when I first saw this, I thought it was a clutch, but in all reality, it's a jewelry holder, and it's so pretty. It's only $20, and I thought the intricate beading design really added to the bag. So this one is regularly $20, like I mentioned, but it is on sale for $15. And I popped this open so that you can see what the inside looks like. Let me show you this next clutch. It actually comes in white and in black with the little gold ball closure, and I'll pop this open so that you can see what it looks like. You can use it as a clutch, and this one also has the gold chain. This one is by A New Day and regularly $30, but again, they do come in white and in black. And I'll bring these up side by side so that you can see what they look like. Now, right next to those, I found these clear bags, and I'll show you what they look like. Now, I'm not sure if that is like a new style or if you use them maybe when you're going to concerts so that security can see. This next one actually has two bags, so I would see this more of a travel bag, and this one was only going for $15. So I thought this was a great deal. And this same design also comes in black. Okay, so next I'm going to show you some of the larger handbags. Now this one is by Universal Threads. It's like a slouchy crescent sling bag, and it does have this beautiful buckle design. As you can tell, it does come in several colors. Here's the cream, this green one, they have it in the brown, and then the black. And these are regularly priced at $30, and they're currently on sale for $25.50. Now the sale prices that I am giving you are the prices that I'm finding online, so definitely double check your sale prices. Okay, so I'm going to show you one more tote and then I'll move on to something else, but this is a larger tote. This is by Universal Threads and it's regularly $30. This one also has the strap with the buckle design. And again, with the gold hardware, very popular. I'll bring this out so that you can take a look at it. I just thought it was a great looking tote. And I'll show you the inside so that you can get a better feel for what this fabric is. But again, it's very soft. And as you can tell, it does have a pocket on the inside. I do want to show you some of the new accessories that Target has brought in. So let's go ahead and start with the sunglasses. Now, I absolutely love sunglasses. I'm originally from Phoenix, so sunglasses is like a staple. But let me go ahead and show you these. These are going for $17. And I did go online to confirm the prices. These sunglasses are currently 25% off. So those sunglasses that were $17 are actually on sale for $12.75. And I don't know if it was luck of the draw, but pretty much every pair of sunglasses I kept picking up were regularly priced at $17. As you can tell, they have a really good selection between metal frame glasses, plastic framed glasses, all different types of shapes and sizes. So I do believe that they have a great selection. Now those sunglasses were actually $15, and I do love the tortoiseshell plastic frame glasses, especially when they're embellished with like gold. Now, another fashion design, I guess you could say, that I am noticing are the plastic frame glasses that are coming in color, like the sage green color. Here we have some that are ivory colored. Then we've got this deep red color. Now, I tend to favor the plastic frame glasses because I do like to put them up on top of my head to hold my hair back at times. But if I happen to get the metal frame glasses, I love it when the lenses have a tint, like a blue or a purple. And I did happen to see some with a purple tint here at Target, but I don't think I recorded it. Anyway, I wanted to go ahead and show you some of the hair accessories now. Now there was a huge selection of bows, but these bows are very embellished. Like these have pearls on them. You can see this embroidery design, very intricate, so pretty. Now here we have one with two bows. These are on a barrette and these are regularly priced at $8. And I did feel the quality on these were very good. A very pretty sheer fabric. Now, I didn't show you the price on the one that has the embroidery. That one was also listed at $8. And just as the sunglasses were on sale, these are also on sale at 25% off. This one was actually one of my favorites. I thought it was very pretty. The sheer with the raised embroidery on it. It's all white on white. I thought it was very, very pretty. And if you're looking for something else other than a barrette, they also have some where they have the elastic. And as you can tell there, it is all covered in the same sheer fabric. And I'll swing around so that you can see some of the different designs. And again, they've got that little elastic, and these are actually going for $8 as well. Also had satin scarf and bandana designs, and I'll bring this up a little closer. These are actually going for $10, and if you don't want to put them around your neck, you can also use them as a decorative piece on your purse. So I absolutely love the idea of being able to buy these separately. Like I mentioned, these are regularly priced $10. I tried finding them online, but I had a little bit of trouble finding those for you. Found some more hair accessories as I was walking to the jewelry section. So let me go ahead and show you these bows. These are also going for $8. They're more in the theme of the fruit, like the lemon slices, and these look like little cherry tomatoes or strawberries. And I also found some hair clips that look like lemons and strawberries as well. But I do want to say that the sheer on here and the embroidery is great quality. Wouldn't be my video if I didn't show you a few clearance items that I happened to find. So this little 3-pack of hair accessories is on clearance for $3.50. And here I found some other ones. These are going for $5 and you get 3 scrunchies and a headband. And I'll just scan through quickly so that you can see some of the products that they have on clearance. The price range on these clearance items were anywhere between $3.50 and $7. And just as the handbags have a lot of gold hardware, there is a lot of gold jewelry here at Target. So here we have a stack of 3 rings. These are all by A New Day, priced at $9.99, and they are currently 25% off. I love ankle bracelets, so here we have a set of 3. These are also by A New Day, and they're only $9.99. Here's another great deal. You get 10 bracelets for $12.99. Now, again, keep in mind, everything that I'm showing you right now is on sale. I tend to love the daintier, thinner type earrings, but these thick raindrop type earrings were $9.99 with such a beautiful design. Now look at these earrings. These are so pretty, very modern. These are $7.99. And here is another design for the earrings. These are $7.99. These almost look like a piece of artwork. They have a lot of gold jewelry. I was able to find some silver. So I will quickly show you what they have here. I'll move on to something else, but I really don't want to make this video too long for you. But as you can tell, they have a lot of beautiful earrings. I want to show you a few more accessories like these little jewelry holders. These tiny little dishes are going for $10 a piece. Come in the red and in the blue. And I did run into this little section of pearl jewelry. And the other item that I want to show you before I end this video are the purse accessories. Now, I absolutely love all these charms. They're just so pretty. Actually had quite a selection, a lot of beautiful charms. Anyway, I am going to go ahead and let you keep watching. Thank you so much for sticking around, and make sure you comment down below what were your favorite products for today. Anyway, thanks again for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure that you do so and hit that notification bell so you don't miss that next video. And remember to watch the shorts because I do post a lot of different products on my shorts. All right, thanks again, and I will see you in the next one.